to fix Facebook page restricted on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem on your Facebook. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you just open settings, and then when your settings it's opening guys, just you will go to apps or applications. And on apps or applications, what you should do right now, just you will go directly to Facebook, then open it. And when you open Facebook guys, just will go directly to storage, and on storage go to clear data, then click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in other videos.